I'm John Bura. I own European Auto Glass in Tempe, Arizona. We are a full service glass shop. We don't just do windshield service. If it is a glass roof, we do that. If it's a windshield, if it's a side glass, if it's a back glass, that's what we do. We're a preferred shop for all major insurance companies. In addition to auto glass, we are an authorized 3M tent dealer, so we do 3M tent installation. We handle AGMS calibration in the shop, so if you have a newer vehicle that keeps you in your lane or beeps when you go out of your lane, those systems are driven by cameras that are mounted in a windshield, and anytime you replace your windshield in a car, those systems have to be re-aimed, and we handle everything all right here. You can find us on the web at europeanautoglass.com. You can call us at 602-715-0911. You can text us at that number. However you need to get in touch with us to take care of your glass needs, we'll take care of you.